Hi, myself Divya Teja. I'm doing my master's project, final semester. So I'm with this project from the day one. So you already know the project name. The project name is Electronic Shelf Labeling, the ESL. So in this video, I'll be explaining mainly about what is my contribution to the team and what is the individual contribution I have contributed to the whole project. So moving on to the contribution of the group. So I've started sprint on 20th of April and I've ended at 24th. So there are mainly I contributed myself to the storyboard and roadmap, and the hours were, you can already see there 32 hours. So moving on to the individual contribution, the mainly I have contributed to the task like project backlogs, requirements, to-do list, project outline and outcome. So in this mainly I learned how to do different tasks using different strategies, and I mainly concentrated about the point of communication and network, which is the center for the entire management process. And so what we need to do better in this project, so we have to develop a model which is more user friendly to the end users. So that is the main motto of this project. So moving on to the next slide. So this is a brief explanation of project backlogs. So we have done a complete research on the product and the change of automation, price changes from the central server and pricing updates, and how each display should be kept like eye-catching and effective information. Developing a model with using user-friendly techniques, using different price strategies, using the store's location and customer requirements. The e-tags should be like, the main point is like e-tags should have adequate power supply and a backup, which is also known as the battery in the system. As I already discussed, the RF modules and network should be strong enough to run the process. So this is the brief explanation of my product backlogs. And moving on to the next slide. So these are the requirements of the project, which are prioritized in different ways. So we have given the lowest for the e-display module should be placed accurately in front of the edge of the product shelf, because every store looks in a different way. So this is not compulsory that it should be placed accurately in front or back. So it should be more informative for the customers. That was the lowest. And we have three medium points like developing or pricing strategy using geolocation and eye catching. So that are the medium ones. So setting up the high priorities is like auto pricing updates should be accurate and precise. Price change should be accurate and precise as well. So adequate power supply, so that will be the accurate, that will be the highest prioritized as well. So these are the requirements and priorities of the project. So moving on to the next one. So these are the list of the things or the activities going on. So right now, so depending upon the task and the things which we are doing, we are prioritized here, and currently you can see the status, how it's going on. So the client meeting is ongoing and we set a high priority for that. And we set up a moderate for the product draft, which should be moving on, which you will see in the future. And user stories is in progress, you can see. And we have completed like storyboard or backlogs completed. So to be done or not started is client's approval. We didn't start yet because we don't have the final product that's used to be done. So this is the major thing which I want to explain in today's video. Thank you.